Morning, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris, Oz Canopies and 4x4. What have we got? We've got an NF, a brand new Amarok in today. The customer had this electric roller shutter, which is not too bad if I say so myself. This is the OEM electric roller shutter, but it's not giving them enough space. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this shutter off, we're gonna take this sports bar off, we're gonna get one of our fiberglass color-coded canopies on there, and we're gonna get right into it.
I could show you how it goes. Catch a wave and let it flow. Grab a bag and hit the road. Been on go from coast to coast. Drive it like an auto show. Steakhouse dinners with a toast. Happy that we did the most. Poker face, I play it close. Quiet tone, I been a ghost. Now we running up the scope. I could show you how it goes. Who gets to choose who wins? Find what outweighs the sins and keep on adding in. I'm running out on days, I'm losing out on nights. How can I pay the price when I can't even seem to find a cashier? I'm just trying to do better than my last year. I'm just trying to keep trying, it's been mad years. Keep this little engine running, still got mad gears. This won't be my last year, I've been thinking out the box. I got used to punching clocks and I stopped punching clocks. Now I'm setting up the shop, it's time to make it pop. Get it hot, now or never can regret it. It's embedded to the hustle, I'm indebted. I can show you how it goes. Catch a wave and let it flow. Grab a bag and hit the road. Been on go from coast to coast. Drive it like an auto show. Steakhouse dinners with a toast. Happy that we did the most. Poker face, I play it close. Quiet tone, I been a ghost. Now we running up the scope. I can show you how it goes.
Yeah, I can't get the grind on my head. I've been running after them blue boys till I'm cramping up in my leg. I'm going 10 on 10 with the goals in it, getting everything that I said. Big Russ Rose sitting on foes, tinted with the speakers talking like Ted. I be riding around fast, pedal all gas. Bet I won't crash, better log in for the live in. Living legend, what they gotta say I been on the broadcast. CNN need to have me on the feed at a high chase speed, cause I can't let them pass. Yeah, and that's just how it go. So many flows, I'm like any, mini, money, mo. Step out the shows, but I barely ever flick a pose. Gone in an instant, distant, that's my mode.
I can show you how it goes. Catch a wave and let it flow. Grab a bag and hit the road. Been on go from coast to coast. Drive it like an auto show. Steakhouse dinners with a toast. Happy that we did the most. Poker face, I play it close. Quiet tone, I been a ghost. Now we running up the scope. I can show you how it goes.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoyed the assembly and fit process of one of these color-coded canopies on this current generation VW Amarok. Bit of an involved process, obviously, because we did have to get the windows in on this particular canopy. So while we're at it, we'll just go through it. So it's got the central locking on the rear door while the FedEx guy does arrive as well in the middle of our video, but that's all right, we're gonna keep rolling. So central locking on the rear door, very, very straightforward. You do have the key override as well, just in case the central locking stops working on you or the car runs out of battery. You can see just the amount of space that's added to these bad boys. You can see the fit and finish of these is absolutely awesome, especially considering you do remove the plastic parts that are fitted to the top of the tailgate. We'll go over to the side as well. Whoop, bah. You guys didn't see that? We'll keep moving. All right, so the side windows, they're just key operated. You get a pair of keys with your canopy as well. Twist in, pull open. You can see you can get access from the side as well. Front sliding window allows you to clean the rear window of the cab a little bit easier. This particular canopy, we have spec'd it with the sliding window on the driver's side, so you can go ahead and open those from the inside if you want to get some airflow on the inside. So you've got an interior light as well. That one's just battery operated. You've got to be mindful these cars do lock themselves pretty quickly, and as a result, can't catch it. Cars. They're turning into a bit of a piss take, lad. All right, so that one's just a battery operated light on the inside. Very straightforward. So on, off. Okay, now if you want to grab one for yourself, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go to get one. We can deliver Australia wide, or give us a call 029627 8666 if you want to get one for yourself fitted. Other than that, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell.
The J braces.
Oh, it's also got the J braces fitted, the reinforced J brackets that need to be fitted on these Amaroks to make sure that you keep your factory warranty. So we've got those available online as well. Anyway, other than that, I'll see you guys on the next video.